Cash advance apps can give seniors access to short-term funds without applying for a traditional loan, but the right option depends on income sources, account setup, fees, and repayment terms. By the end, you'll know what seniors should check before choosing a cash advance app, including eligibility, costs, security, and how to avoid options that do not fit their budget. The first thing to check is whether the app accepts your income type. Many cash advance apps connect to a bank account and review financial activity to determine eligibility. Seniors should confirm that their income source and account setup work with the app before applying. Income from sources like retirement payments, benefits, part-time work, or other deposits may be handled differently depending on the service. Review the AP's requirements before sharing financial information. The second thing to compare is cost. Cash advance apps may charge different types of fees, including optional features or service charges. Look at the full repayment amount and decide whether the cost makes sense for the amount you need. Repayment timing matters just as much. If the advance is repaid automatically from your bank account, check the repayment date before accepting the money. The payment schedule should match when your next income arrives. Security is another important factor for seniors. Only use apps that clearly explain how they handle account information and personal data. Avoid services that make unclear promises or ask for unnecessary information. A cash advance app can be useful for a short-term expense, but it should not replace a long-term financial plan. If you regularly need advances for everyday bills, review your monthly budget and consider other financial options. Before choosing an app, compare 4 things: eligibility requirements, total cost, repayment process, and account security. A service that works well for one person may not be the right choice for another. The best cash advance app for seniors is the one that fits their income schedule and financial situation, without creating repayment problems. Check the details first, understand the fees, and choose an option that matches your needs. If this comparison helped you understand cash advance apps, subscribe for more simple money app guides and financial comparisons.